Let's make gluten-free banana chocolate chip muffins together. To start, I am not a baker, so if I can do it, you guys can do it too. This is an easy gluten-free sweet treat. First things first, I just mashed 2 ripe bananas into a bowl, and then I cracked my eggs. I did maple syrup for my sweetener, and then I poured in my melted butter and just whisked that together. Now going in with my gluten-free all-purpose flour, baking powder, and then I added in my cinnamon and a pinch of salt, and I just stirred that together next. Lastly was going in with my favorite dark chocolate chips from Hu, and then I was ready to divide the batter into the muffin cups. I baked at 350 for about 18 minutes, and they came out looking so fluffy and delicious. Now was taste test time, and I surprised myself because you never know with gluten-free, but they had moisture and flavor, and I will be baking again. Enjoy!